eRank, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy right now. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with US shoppers. Then we'll analyze what these trending keywords are telling us about what's selling best on Etsy right now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports, and this is just a video summary. For more details, including the top searches in the UK, Canada, and Australia, and eBay and Amazon, please visit the eRank blog. Here's June's top 20 Etsy searches in the US. Hey, that's interesting. More than one surprise in our US top 20 this month. A major one is the dearth of graduation related searches. Back in May, there were 17 searches with graduation, including 2 in the top 20. And a year ago in June, 4 made the top 1,000. This June, it's only 2. So it sounds like the takeaway here is to get your graduation related gear listed by mid-February next year. Another surprise is this one. This is travel. It ranks 9th on June's top 20, and it isn't just a climber, it's a screamer. In just a month, it's up 1,740%. Definitely spike of the month territory. And with all abrupt spikes this high, we suggest you watch it a while before taking the plunge. Not saying it's fishy, but we smell Etsy. Anyone happen to spot an Etsy promotion labelled travel on the US homepage? Meanwhile, let's get to our climbers. These top Etsy searches climbed the highest and fastest in June. Climbers are what we call top 20 keywords that didn't make the previous month's top 20 list. June had 9 climbers, including that one screamer we just saw. Here they are in order with their current rank first. Ranking 5th, mug is up from number 86, and this keyword is hot, and mugs plural is well up too, from 87th in May. It ranks 30th now, so this is mug. Mug is up both month on month and year on year. Wonder if a lot more dads got mugs and keychains for Father's Day this year. And speaking of which, let's move right along to our next climbers. There were quite a few searches for dads, which is interesting considering Father's Day was weeks ago. Were some people really late or just seeing their dads on July the 4th? Strange, but it really suggests you might not want to take down your listings right after a holiday or event. There may be some sales rolling in for a little while. Gifts for Dads here has a green banner telling us it was popular in the last year, and for dads and Father's Day gifts. It might be worth keeping an eye on every variation of this search, and if it's important to your listing, use every variation. Over on the blog, Jan has a great section on how to optimize your listings for these search terms. Next here is Keychain. Have we convinced you about keychains yet? We've talked about them for a while because they've been trending for years. We love nearly all of Keychain stats. It's just that pesky competition figure. Are you here looking for what to sell on Etsy? You need to niche down. For those of you who are new to eRank, Jan walked you through niching down using the keyword tool on eRank. From the keyword search results page, you scroll down to the keywords idea table. Choose broad, then sort by the search trend column. On eRank, if you click on the top of any column, you sort by that metric. And this shows you the keywords that are trending right now. Some are too competitive, some likely trademark terms, but there are always some interesting keywords when you niche down. A cute better fish keychain could be adorable and pretty easy to make, and Etsy have even mentioned assembling charms to make an item as falling into the new Made by You category in Etsy. You can do the same niching down for any of the broad keywords you see doing well with customers on Etsy, like ranking 12th, summer clothing, ranking 13th, birthday gift, and ranking 15th, necklaces. In fact, if you make necklaces, Jan spotted that statement necklaces are back in again, and even this one, pearl necklace men. When you start niching down, you can find all sorts of interesting things, even in the jewellery category, where people are always saying there are only high competition keywords. When you start digging, there are almost always gems. And finally, for our climbers, embroidery. That's another one with a green banner saying it's still popular just now. That's all the climbers, and even some tips to help you niche down in them and find the gold. But don't forget to check out the blog, where Jan also has been looking into some cool styles, including a surprise live action roleplay item trending in accessories. Seriously, dressing up is huge, with Halloween items already trending this year. I can't wait to see what the top outfits will be. My personal pick will be costumes based on the new Fallout TV show. So, could any of your vintage items fall into the retro futurism or atomic punk aesthetic? I won't be surprised with dragon themes also. Anyway, before I nerd out, that's enough for this video.